Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the LF token, which is short for Logistic Fundamental Token. Ticker symbol is LF. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting September 16th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the LF token, or the LF coin, is being listed on a central exchange called Mexc Global, September 16th at 9 o'clock UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search LF, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it gets listed there September 16th at 9 o'clock UTC time. So Logistic Fundamental, the global distribution project of LF, this project pays attention to the existing global distribution, among them the e-commerce market, and aims to open a new era in the decentralized e-commerce market and global distribution market using blockchain technology. The LF project aims to promote Korea's excellence to the world and become the center of the borderless e-commerce market by serving as a link to promote Korea's excellent K-beauty, fashion, food products, and for global consumers. So this is a Korean token. If you go to their webpage, a lot of their page is translated, but you can check out a full English white paper. They have a full Korean white paper as well. This token is on the Klatyn blockchain. They have a total supply of 30 million LF tokens. Their webpage is lf-foundation.com. They have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find it. It is at LF_coinofficial. And they also have a Telegram that you could follow at LF_coinofficial_global. On their webpage, you can also find a full white paper. Now, it says here, LF creates a global integrated distribution ecosystem. All users can conveniently utilize not only shopping, but also payment, remittance, and life services through LF's own application. So as you read through their white paper, I'm not going to go over all of it, just the important parts. But you'll see the grammar is slightly off, and that is because it is translated from Korean. The main areas where existing payment services platforms have suffered trial and error are number 1, different payment environments by region, culture, and platform. Number 2, relearning issues of affiliates not familiar with technology-intensive environments. Low understanding of blockchain technology and insufficient smart contract technology. Business model design that is not policy-friendly and close to legal. The payment infrastructure that LF will create will resolve or weaken these trials and errors experienced by leading companies. LF can, number 1, be used in any environments. Number 2, does not require much learning to use. And number 3, is made with highly secure and tech and meets the governance virtual asset provider requirements and oversees payment businesses such as AML securing certification, which is the goal of the service at hand, and we will give innovation to the digital economy around the world, including Korea. LF wants to find a solution to the problems existing in the e-commerce market through blockchain technology. So LF uses blockchain tech to form an ecosystem where suppliers, distributors, and buyers around the world meet freely traded products and share profits transparency. The value that LF pursues are as follows. So I have to correct the grammar as I go here, sorry. Number 1 is participation as a free LF ecosystem member. Number 2, connecting global supplier brands with distributors and consumers. Number 3, establishment of a trustworthy e-commerce ecosystem by ecosystem participants using its own shopping mall. Number 4, supports a transparent supplier brand and consumer matching system and structured consultation system. Number 5 is providing consumers with reliable products at reasonable prices. Number 6, maximizing the profits and participants and contributors in the ecosystem. Number 7, ensuring ease of transaction and data transparency using LF blockchain technology. So LF is confident in the advancement and bright future of blockchain and virtual asset tech discussed above. The concept of a trustless trading system guaranteed by mathematical algorithms is the greatest conceptual economic revolution imaginable by mankind. However, as seen above, there are definitely elements to overcome. Our focus is on improving efficiency and usability within the global distribution system. We consider it a task to combine the various distribution transaction needs that actual consumers demand in reality and the unique characteristics of blockchain in an easy-to-use way. LF's global distribution service consists of the following. So number 1 is a B2B service. Number 2 is a B2C service. Number 3, a company shopping mall scheduled to open. Number 4 is the global logistics service. Number 5 is the global distribution consulting service. And this is it's on the Klatyn chain. It's an ERC20 token. Like I said, 30 million tokens total supply. And it is called the Logistic Fundamental Coin, ticker symbol LF. We have distribution being split up. Basically, 55% goes to company, 5% team, 15% service, 10% marketing, and 15% of the tokens go to sale. There's a lockup period for the team tokens, reserve foundation, etc. So it's going to be used as a reward token as well within the ecosystem. So it's a utility token, basically. There's, tons of information. There's a roadmap on their page. They're coming out with the crypto wallet release, global division, French subsidiary, the coin, and then it goes on from there. There's a legal disclaimer, all sorts of information. Check it out, lf-foundation.com, and you can find this token newly listed on a central exchange called Mexc Global, starting September 16th at 9 o'clock UTC time. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.